Very good morning, Kunanda. Today we are done this synthesis of aspirin. The aspirin synonym was acetylsalicylic acid. The aspirin has very valid and notable pharmacological activity. It's a vital drug in the pharma world. The aspirin we are using as anticoagulant and it has antipyretic activity and it can be used as an anti-inflammatory also. So such essential drug we have done the synthesis today. My students are going to share about how to calculate this percentage yield of aspirin with the help of practical yield and theoretical yield. So this aspirin synthesis is a simple process. The starting material we are used for salicylic acid and acetic anhydride. So when this salicylic acid was allowed to react with acetic anhydride, it will give acetylsalicylic acid and acetic acid. So in this procedure, we are taking 3 gram of salicylic acid and the 3 gram of salicylic acid was allowed to react with 6 ml of acetic anhydride and we are added for 4 to 5 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid was providing acidic medium for this reaction. So such acidic condition, the salicylic acid was reacting with acetic anhydride and it will give acetate salicylic acid. So along with this acetate salicylic acid, we will get very less amount of acetic acid also. With the help of further purification process, we purified this compound. Finally, we got the pure form of the product. So my students was calculated this practical yield of acetylsalicylic acid. So with the help of practical yield, and my students are going to calculate this theoretical yield also. With the help of these both values, how to calculate this percentage yield, my students going to explain. So such case study we are performing here. So now they will continue now. Thank you.
So today I am going to explain about the synthesis of aspirin from the salicylic acid. It can be prepared using acetylated agents. Acetylated agents like acetic anhydride. So salicylic acid is reacted with acetic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid. It produces acetylsalicylic acid, which is also known as the aspirin. I am going to explain about the preparation of aspirin. We should take 3 grams of salicylic acid and 6 ml of acetic anhydride in 100 ml of conical acid. To this, 4 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid is added and warmed in a water pot for 10 minutes. Then allow to mixture and cool. Then pour this content into a beaker containing 50 ml of ice cold water. It is well filtered and the crude product is formed. Now my friend is going to explain about the calculation of this aspirin.
As my friend explained procedure and chemical reaction involved in the synthesis of aspirin, now I am going to explain the molecular weight calculation. The molecular weight for salicylic acid is 132 gram, carbon 7, 84, hydrogen 6, oxygen 3, 48. Now let's see the molecular weight calculation for acetylsalicylic acid means aspirin. Carbon 9, 108, hydrogen 8, oxygen 4, 64, then totally 180 gram. Now my friend will explain how to calculate the percentage yield involved in the synthesis of aspirin. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain how to calculate the molecular weight of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid contains 7 carbon atoms. Its mass is 12. When we calculate, we get 84. It has 6 hydrogen atoms. Its mass is 1. When we calculate, we get 6. And it contains 3 oxygen atoms. When we calculate its mass, we get 48. Totally, it has 128. And next, we can see how to calculate the molecular weight of aspirin. It is also called as acetylsalicylic acid. It contains 9 carbon atoms. Its mass is 12. When we calculate, we get 108. And hydrogen atom contains 8. Its mass is 1. And when we calculate, we get 8. It contains 4 oxygen atoms. And its mass is 16. When we calculate, we get 84. Totally 180.